Hi, my name is Sophia and I am a commercial fisherman. I've been fishing the coastal waters of Halifax for over 20 years now. I have always done very well providing for my family and meeting the local quota for the fish markets in the area. Hearing that there is potentially going to be an aquaculture farm being built here poses a huge threat not only to me, but to other families that live in this area. Due to the abundant amount of fish these farms could provide, it could lead to the fish markets choosing them over us due to lower prices. This means potentially ending my business and others' businesses completely. Not only does this pose a threat to us, but it also poses a threat to the local economy as well. The housing markets could go down due to us having to relocate to find work, as well as other small businesses could potentially go out of business due to their customers having to move. Halifax has always been known to draw commercial fishermen in, so building a farm here only cuts down the chances of that happening. I have always loved what I have done, and it has always provided me to be able to live how I live for many, many years. So knowing that there could be a farm built here scares me, and I think that the committee really needs to stop and think about the effects that this could have on the local economy. Yes, they are able to provide an abundant amount of fish, but this could potentially mean losing a lot of small businesses in the process.